What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're doing something a little different today. We're not going to be doing any nails, but we're going to be opening up a nail advent calendar. On the chopping block is Madam Glam. Yeah. Full disclaimer, I will be opening up this whole thing. So if you are a girly who has this and you don't want to see all the goodies inside, you want to open it up day by day, this video is not for you. So let's take a little look-see inside. I'm scared. She is beautiful. Look at that. She's stunning. Okay. Oof. How am I going to do this? Okay. Let's go right in with number one. Number one. Let's see what the first one is. We got a polish. Oh, a base coat gel. I have a million of these, but if you don't have any, this is a good thing to have. Number two. Now this retails for $500 and you can buy it for $1.99. Next we have No Wipe Gel Top Coat. She's a good one. Base and top coat, these are both full size. Going in with number three. I feel like this is a mini. Ooh, she is tiny. Starlight. Oh, she's like a white confetti type polish. I'm going to swatch these as well, just so you can see them. Moving on to day 4, and she's a big one. Cali UV lamp. This is a lot nicer than the little tiny white lamps that you get. She's cute. Whoops. Moving on to day 5. Right here. Feels like another mini. We have foil gel. So that tells me there's going to be some foils in here. Ooh, that stinks. Ooh. Moving on to 6. Oh, foil. Gold foil. Would have been nice if there was like a little Christmas something or other on it. Moving on to day 7. Oh, we got a putty gel. She is a red color. Ooh, is she bright red? I'll have to give you a brush because I don't have a brush out for this right now. Day 8. Ooh, maybe a brush? Maybe. Oh, look at that. Yes, a polish brush. Very nice. So far we've got 2 polishes, a base coat, a top coat. We got some foil gel, foils, and a little lamp. Moving on to day 9. We have another polish. This is the Pink Star. Ooh, baby pink. Moving on to day 10. Ooh, we have a rubber base. Very nice. This is called Nude Rubber Base. I don't have any of their rubber bases. I don't think I've actually ever tried them before. I have their builder gels, but not the rubber base. Moving on to day 11. Oops. Ooh, a liner gel. I actually don't have any of their liner gels, and I don't think I've actually seen anybody like use them before. And she full size. That's a good one. Day 12. We have Winter Sky. That's a bluish gray color. Day 13. We're feeling full size. Oh, Soak Off Holographic Filates No White Top Coat. I did not have a single top coat that has like fun stuff in it like this. It looks like snow. Day 14. Orion. This is a nudish brown yellow color. Next, 15. Another mini. Obsidian. Ooh, that's a navy blue, maybe purple. It's hard to see in these lightings sometimes, you know. Moving on to day 17. Ooh, we have Star Sapphire. Sapphire, that is a green color. Interesting choice. 16. It's a big one. Maybe another brush. We got a liner brush. Very nice. Mine are actually starting to look really raggedy and disgusting. Who are you? Oh. Moving on to day 17. I already opened 17. My bad. So we're gonna go to 18. Oh, another pudding gel, a winter blue pudding gel. Day 19. Flame Nebula. She's a dark purpley color. Day 20. Feels like another brush. Oh, it's a rubber spatula. Maybe we're gonna have some, I don't know what we're gonna have. We're gonna have something in there that goes with this. D1. Polish. Winter Solstice. She's like a white grayish color. Getting down to the bottom here, we got 22. Another full size, feels like. Maybe? Oh, no, cuticle oil. Okay. Very cute. See what it smells like. No. Smells like oil. Moving on to 23. We have Fire and Ice. Oh, here's a red color. Like a orangey pink color. Day 24. Foil maybe? Yeah. We got a silver foil. Okay. And day 25, the very last day. Oh, she heavy. What is this one? Oh, nailed it. Card game. I've been seeing these a lot. I've not used them yet, but you basically, the cards pick like what your nails design is going to be, or it helps give you inspiration. How fun is that? Oh yeah, look at that. This is kind of fun. I do like this. Helps you decide your whole nail design. So that's it. That's everything in this calendar. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of everything in this calendar. If you thought it was worth $500. Lots of minis in there, but there was also a lot of full-size products and brushes. So that's kind of cool. And then this lamp, I've never actually seen before, the black lamp that came in this. You don't normally get like the white ones, you know, but the cards are cool. I'm excited to use the cards. Now that I think about it, nothing came with this. Maybe it's to put the foil down? I don't know. Just so you know, you don't ever have to pay full price for Madam Glam polish. You can always use my code and save 30%. Codes and discounts and things like that don't work on the calendars. And let me know what your favorite product was. Come back next week. We're going to open another one. And I've got a couple more on the way. So stay tuned and we'll make this a series for December. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.